Ah, dear me. Could we please make sure that I go to bed early today? 'Cause I can't keep going like this. Oh my god. Good morning. Okay, 9 hours later, I'm finally done with work. Well, not like done, because there is still stuff to do, but it's already 8 p.m., so... And as usual, I'm trying to put myself to bed earlier. And I'm going to the office tomorrow, so... Yep. I had such a crazy headache today. It's like my head is screaming, go to bed. Not only my ghost, but my head as well. Well. You know what I caught myself on yesterday? So I didn't go to bed on time, of course. But I was constantly chewing on something. It's like that's the secret of not overeating. Just go to bed. I don't know why. It's like this absolutely uncontrollable thing. I just like keep eating something. I eat like half of the fridge. I hope I will be fine till, I don't know, maybe I should go. No, I should be fine like till after the trip, because I really don't want to go to the grocery store. Like, I just don't have time for that now. I don't want to go anywhere. Maybe I'll be fine. How many days I have till the trip? I have, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday I'm leaving, like 4 days. I should be fine. But if I not go to bed early and keep eating everything, that I won't be fine. But that was an interesting observation. I like that, like these days I'm catching myself on a lot of things I've been doing unconsciously. And like, is this what they call mindfulness? That you're mindful about what you're doing and you kind of you understand what you're doing, you really get what you're doing, and it's not just a fact. I wonder why this is happening. I don't know, something to research. I like researching such things, so maybe this is it. Okay, being a nerd that I am, of course I had to do my research. So totally makes sense that yesterday I ate half of my fridge. So what I found out, let me put it here. So what I found out, a little lecture if you're interested. So when we don't sleep enough, so there are two hormones. One is ghrelin, that is responsible for hunger, for us feeling hungry. And the other one is leptin, that is responsible for satiety, basically for us feeling the need to stop eating. So when we don't sleep enough, ghrelin levels rise and leptin levels fall. That's why we're constantly munching. Constantly. At least I do that. Because, so ghrelin, we're like the level of us feeling hungry rises and we don't feel that we have to stop. Even if physically it feels like there is no place there. That's it. No, I feel like physically, okay, I feel I will explode right now, but 5 minutes later I go and get another apple. It is what it is. Totally makes sense. And like a couple of days ago, I listened to an interview of one TV host, Ukrainian TV host, absolutely gorgeous. And when she started her career, she worked in those morning shows. And it's like you have to get up at 4 a.m. to come to the TV studio, get ready, and host the program, right? The morning show. So she said, and at that time she was a student. Sorry. She was a student. So she had to go to lectures, take classes, prepare her homework, and work like 5 days a week. She worked the morning show. Absolutely exhausted and sleep deprived. Like 1 year later, she was 25 pounds bigger. Totally makes sense now. Because I listened to it, I was wondering, like, why? But it totally messes you up. Says, who says me? Who goes to bed at 4 a.m.? Okay, yesterday it was 5. I'm just this absolutely crazy person. And today my head was killing me. Literally, I'm on pills right now because my head, I thought it would explode. It really was that bad. Now it's 11:09 and I'm going to the office tomorrow. I have to wash my hair. But I got an audition slot for the play. So it's a leading role in Mauritius by Teresa Rebeck. I love Teresa Rebeck. So we'll see. The spot for auditioning is 8 p.m. And next morning I'm flying to Atlanta. I have to leave the apartment at 7 a.m., which means I will probably have to get up at 5:30 while I do everything, because of course I need at least half an hour in bed, just slowly waking up, checking the phone, the news, because no, I can't get rid of that. It's just part of the process. I can't get rid of that. Body flex takes about 20 minutes to get ready. So yeah, and I know I will be walking back because that's what I do whenever I go anywhere, because I love walking in New York. So nowadays it doesn't happen that often because I have tons of work. So we'll see. Yeah. But totally makes sense. It's like interesting how certain topics kind of come together and concentrate like in the duration of a few days. It's like, pay attention to this, because I'm that person who believes in science. Yes, I'm that crazy. I see science everywhere and I know I have a ghost living with me. So yeah, it's just interesting. First that interview, and usually, so when I work, I have something like playing on the background, like white noise. And very often it's just like white noise. I can't really even say what specifically it was about, but I kind of hear certain portions of what is playing on the background out of the whole thing, and I hear them. And I heard this specific part of her story. It's like, wow, interesting, okay. And then yesterday I was eating. I ate all the oranges I had. I ate like 4 apples. It's just like, where does it go? And I feel like I will explode. So okay, this is it, I'm done. But I'm sitting here and I'm just like, I just can't. It's like, and it's so hard to control this thing. That's just, yeah, It's like you have to have really strong self-control. Like right now, I know I just had dinner, but I feel like I would go and eat something else. But I'm trying to exercise my self-control. And so it works. I have to go to bed. So, okay. I will just do my massage because that's what I do every day. Part of 5 things I do, right? Challenging things. So my wish comes true. So today is day number 12. And I don't want to give up. My God, it's so hard, to do everything like that when you are so loaded at work and so tired. But I'm trying. Okay, less talking, more doing, right? Massage. Can you imagine tension even in the nose? Like, wow. That is terrible. Since I started doing it, I became kind of more aware of what my body feels like. And now I definitely notice, even like when I do body flex, that like not only this part of face, but this part of the whole body is more tense. Wow. But today, I don't know when it will be less painful. For now, everything is painful. But I never knew that I could have tension in my nose. First of all, I never knew that there is like a nose massage, okay? But tension in the nose, wow. That was a lot. Yeah, wow. Okay, so it's 11:48. Maybe I will even put myself to bed at about 1. That would be such a huge difference compared to 4 or 5, right? Okay, I hope everyone had a great middle of the week, right? Wednesday. And I hope you all have a great Thursday. Don't go to bed late, right? Don't follow my example. Thanks so much for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.